Okay, so in this section, we are going to be discussing what bank is, the importance of banking, and some types of banking. Okay, so bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits and channels the money into lending activities. Banking as an activity involves acceptance of deposits and lending or investment of money. Role/importance of banking. Bank provides funds for business and play an important role in the development of the nation. So some of the important roles include act as an intermediary, economic development, capital formation, service to businesses. Let me quickly explain what each of them mean, the importance or the role. As an intermediary, it acts as an intermediary between people having surplus money and those that require money for their business. As an economic development, it helps nations build by providing credits to farmers, small scale industries, and self employed people so they can use that money to do fund their business. Capital formation, deposits accepts accepted by the bank are converted into loans and advancement for industrial and trading activities to business organizations. Right, business to service. Banking helps business through a variety of services like providing long and short-term finances, arranging remittance of money, collection of checks and bills, etc. Right, reduces uses of currency. Banking enable debitors to make payments by check, credit card, and so on and so forth. So you have less worries about holding large sum of money. Mobilization of savings. Banking allows saving. You can deposit money into different types of savings accounts, different types of accounting. You have the current savings and fixed deposit. So banking can also serve as a medium to do that. Raising the standard of living. It helps raise standard of living of people generally by providing loans for purchase of consumer durable goods, right? Benefits to rural economy. We also have balanced regional development. We have development of credit policy, facilitates foreign trade, and and so on and so forth. So next thing we are going to look at is the types of banks. There are various types of bank that operate in Nigeria. We have the central bank, we have the commercial bank, development bank, cooperative bank, and specialized bank. Okay, central bank is a bank that is responsible for guiding and regulating banking system. So their main function includes acts as a government bank. It serves as bankers bank and it provides guidance to other bank and so on and so forth. It also determines foreign exchange rate. It's also responsible for issuing of currency notes and so on and so forth. So we look at the commercial bank. Commercial banks are banks that are institutions that accept deposits and grant loan to customers. We have the types of commercial bank. We have the public sector bank. We have the private sector. We have the foreign sector. So we can just quickly look at the public sector bank and some examples. So public sector banks are majority of share capitals. They are held these banks where majority of share capitals are held. Examples include State of Bank of India and so on and so forth. So while for the private sector bank include the ICICI Bank Limited, the Global Trust Bank, and so on and so forth. While the foreign banks, we have the Hong Kong and Xinjiang Banking Corporation, Citibank, and so on and so forth. We look at Development Bank. Development Bank provides financial assistance to meet financial assistance in form of medium and long-term capital for purchase of equipment. So while the commercial banks are cooperative banks are banks that are formed by personal belonging of the local or professional community or share. So these are the various types of bank and we've looked at it. Thank you.